How was your weekend?
Weekend. It's raining outside. Oh,
Oh, okay.
so many of the time we we all sleep.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and went to the mall, shopping mall
Mm-hmm.
for groceries.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Mm, So, do you like the
I
rainy
like
season?
rainy season, but only when home. I don't like rainy season when I need to go out, you know. It's very uncomfortable when it's raining and you will go to the grocery and so I want it rain when I am at home.
Okay. So Taiwan right now, the season is spring. So before the summer, we had many raining days for a period of
Mm-hmm.
time. So my house, the clothes need to use the clothes dryer.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
Yeah, because the winter is humid. Yeah. So in your country, almost
It is
summer.
summer. It's still summer until June. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mm, So is the winter the humid?
Yes. It's very hot every day. Yeah, very hot. Yes, really very hot and
Very
very
hot.
humid.
Mm, okay.
So, you know, it's every year it's getting hotter and hotter. I think that
Yeah, global warming issue.
yes.
Mm,
How about there? When
So,
is summer?
mm, summer, yeah, it's more and more
Mm-hmm.
hot. Yeah, yeah. And I remember last year, the winter temperature is almost
40.
40 degrees Celsius. Yeah, almost, yeah. It's pretty hot. It was pretty hot. Yeah. So,
Mm-hmm.
in your country, mm, mm, what is the average temperature
Summer,
in summer?
the hottest recorded so far is about 38. So before it's only about 32, 33. But as years pass by, now it reached to 38. So it's really, really hot.
Okay, 38. It's really hot. Yeah. So when you go outside
Mm-hmm.
in the hot day, you- the sun screen, sunscreen,
Normally,
or
people in Philippines do not use sunscreen. That's why our skin color is what's this? Dark. But of course, there are a few people who use sunscreen also, like me. I use sunscreen because, I'm afraid of the sun. So I need to use sunscreen to protect my skin. But some other people, they don't do it. Yes. And you, do you use sunscreen?
no,
Okay.
I don't. But my wife, he does it. Yeah,
Okay.
he does. Yeah, yeah. You usually go outside alone.
Okay, yeah. Normally girls love to wear sunscreen. Okay.
Right.
Alright. So we have Unit 5. We're going to use TOEIC today, conferences. And we will continue with listening comprehension. But first, let's look at the picture and then let's describe it first.
The man in front of the crowd.
Can you write it?
Okay.
Yes, the man.
The man stand in front of the
Uh-huh.
deliver a speech.
Okay, so the man in front of the podium is delivering a speech.
Delivery of speech. There are many people.
Mm-hmm.
There
There.
are many people are sitting
Sitting.
up, sitting on the desk. On chair.
Okay, sitting. What else?
Sitting.
Okay, sitting and listening, maybe.
Yes.
To the speaker.
Listening. The speaker. Some of the people. Some people watch. Some people are watching their document.
Okay, some people are reading some documents.
Reading some document. Yes.
Okay.
They are in conference room. They are in the conference room.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good. All right. What do you think are they talking about?
Talking about I have no idea. Maybe about some issue. Maybe campaign.
Maybe.
Share the
Mm-hmm.
CEO talk to their employee
Could be. To
to
encourage. To
encourage
encourage.
uh, to encourage their employee. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good. Just question. Okay. Let's listen to the audio sound.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Open the link. Can I listen
Yes,
the
you
message
can.
one by one? Okay. I open the link. Okay, I play the link. Lesson number 5. Listening comprehension. Part 1. First, number 1. Look at the picture of number 1.
A,
First room of the day.
B,
The organizer is selected president.
C,
The budget is over time.
D,
The participants are attending a session. Okay. Number 1. B. The participants are attend the
Okay. Yes,
session.
the participants are attending a session.
Yeah. I heard the
Attendees.
attendee. Uh, attendee.
Okay,
What
letter
is
D.
attendee?
It says the participants are attending, meaning like joining a session.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Number 2. What should we say? Number 2. How many attend the conference?
A, on Thursday. B, at least 100 folks. C, we will be
Okay, number 2, how many attend? B, at least 100 people.
Okay. Yes. Yes. 100. At
People.
least 100 folks. Yes. Yes. Folks means 100 like
Okay.
people or participant. Yes.
Oh, okay.
It says
Okay, at least.
at least 100 folks. Folks.
Okay. Number 3. Number 3. Do you know the time?
no, the crowd races. Hot fingers. The room was number 2,000.
Okay, number 3 is the room overcrowded. 8.
Letter
Answer
A.
is 8. The crowd.
A
Yeah.
is like no, the crowd waited.
Read. Oh, the answer is yes.
I think it's
I'm
letter
gonna
B. Mm-hmm.
B. Okay. B is
B, it says that and hot too.
stop. Hard to. Oh. Okay. So it's hard to means uh, there are a lot of the people.
Yes.
Okay. So answer is
Letter
B.
B.
Okay. Okay. I see.
Okay.
So C. The AC is the room is
Numbers, I mean
212.
letter C says that the room was number 212.
Oh, 100.
Number 212.
Number 100.
Okay, so it means 212.
Okay. Okay. So next.
Yes. Number part 3, conversation. Listen to the dialogue, then read each question and choose the best answer.
Okay.
Numbers 4 to 6 relate to the following conversation. Has the committee selected a site for our conference next week? No, stop.
Yes. You need to listen to the conversation first.
No. Yeah. So. No.
Oh,
Did you have a
you don't
link?
have the link for the conversation?
Yes. I don't have a link.
Okay. Hold on.
Okay, no problem.
Lesson number 5, Listening Comprehension. Part 1, Photo. Number 1, look at the picture marked number 1.
Okay, here. Hold on.
Okay.
Here is the link.
So
Yeah, I'll just
US
paste the link here.
Okay. By
in
mail
this
or
in the book, because Skype is not responding. Okay, do you have the link? Can you see it? Okay.
Yeah. I open. Okay.
Lesson number 5, listening comprehension. 1. Photo. Number 1. Short conversation. Numbers 4 through 6 relate to the following conversation. Has the committee selected a site for our conference next week? No, stop.
Hmm? It's not okay.
It's the same?
It's the same. Yes.
Wait.
So the part 3 is missing.
Lesson number 5, Listening
It's the
Comprehension.
same.
Part 1, Photo. Number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1.
So let me check.
A.
So
It's difficult to find a site that can accommodate a group of our size.
The
We don't
audio
want our
file is cut.
Oh, it's cut.
Hold on, where we can find it. Curate.
Okay.
I'm checking the book.
Book. Book.
So, okay, here's what we're going to do. I will just read to you the conversation, their conversation, because I don't have the audio sound, okay? Alright, so part number 4 through 6. So, land. Has the committee selected a site for our conference next year? Woman. Not yet. It is difficult to find a site that can accommodate a group of our size. We don't want our sessions to be overcrowded. And that's true. And if our projections are correct, we can expect around 500 people to attend. But we need to have a site selected by the end of next month. Women, we have some possibilities in mind. We'll know soon if any of them will work out. Okay, question number 4. Why are they having difficulty arranging a site for conference? Yes, correct. Their group is large. Okay, number 5. When will the conference take place? Yes, next month. That's why they need to book it at the end of this month. How many people do they expect at the conference? Okay. They're expecting about 500. Let's move on to part 4. Still listening. 7 through 9. Okay, so again, I will still read it. Okay. All conference facilities need to provide reasonable accommodation for people with disabilities. Disabled individual needs to be able to take part in every session that is being offered. In case a session is held in an off-site location, we are not responsible for providing accommodation. But for any event held at our facility, we need to make the necessary arrangements for disabled participants. Most areas of our facility are handicap accessible, but in some situations, we need to make further accommodations. For example, conference planners are asked to get in touch with us ahead of time if any attendees will require special interpreters for the hearing impaired. To facilitate this, conference planners usually ask attendees to request interpreters at the time they register for the conference. Do you want me to read it again? Okay, I can read it again. Okay, I will read it a bit slower this time. All conference facilities need to provide reasonable accommodation for people with disabilities. Disabled individual needs to be able to take part in every session that is being offered. In case a session is held in an off-site location, we are not responsible for providing accommodation. But for any event held at our facility, we need to make the necessary arrangements for disabled participants. Most areas of our facility are handicapped accessible, but in some situations, we need to make further accommodations. For example, conference planners are asked to get in touch with us ahead of time if any attendees will require special interpreters for the hearing impaired. To facilitate this, conference planners usually ask attendees to request interpreters at the same time they register for the conference. Okay, what is the topic of the talk? A. Accommodating disabled people, legal responsibility for off-site events, arranging conferences, preparing convention catalogs. So, yes, they're talking arranging conferences, but what is really they are talking about? So, they are talking about accommodating disabled people. So the answer is letter A. Means that they can accommodate disabled people if the conference is in their facility. But if not in the facility, in another location or hotel, there are possibilities that they cannot accommodate some disabled participants, because the hotel might not have the facility. But if it's in their office, then they can. Okay. How about number 8? Yes, I think offsite. Mhm. Says, how should a campus request a special interpreter? When can they request interpreter? So that is, they will request on the time of registration. So that's the letter A, asking, by asking for one at the time of registration. If they need interpreter, they need to request on the day of registration. Let's have reading. Choose the word that best banquet. Yes, the banquet is like the gathering. Yes. Yes, that's like there's a banquet, there are food, so there will be a lot of people because it's a gathering. Number 11. The final arrangement for the use of the conference room with the hotel's general manager. 12. Yes. For most people, Samsung is associated with computer chips, chip production. Evening gala. Yes, so gala is also a gathering. So for example, there is Best Actor Award, right? So there's a gathering. Normally they call that gala. Then actresses will wear very nice dress. So it's a special entertainment or performances. So people will attend on that evening. They wear glamorous clothes. Yeah, for us, for example, in your company, especially there is a big party, and then you are required to wear nice clothes. Women are required to wear nice dress. That is also called gala. Yeah. Do you like to dress up? Mm-hmm. Let's try number 14. The association's members were asked to, for the special sessions during the advances fees in the electoral. There should be asked to register. Yes. By adding more classes selection, the staff was able to to please more members. Question so far? Okay, we'll move on to the next activity, still text completion. Let's read the story and find the answer in 16, 17, 18. To arrange over the tank at the Grand Hotel. Get in touch with hotel reservations. To arrange overnight accommodation. hotel, right? They need to arrange accommodation. Get in touch with the hotel reservation. So it means you have to like call the hotel so that you can book. Yes, so you need to call and have reservation. Question so far? What's your question? Uh-huh. Course. Morning small group. Okay. So it means that in the morning there are only small group of people in the session. Morning small group. Yes. So there is a session in the morning but only few people. Question number 19. What are these? This is emails. Yes. How many meeting rooms will they need? Correct. What does Max prefer about convention center? Is it the people? About the size. Yes, Max Sullivan. Max is the name, Sullivan is the last name. Martha is the name, Reynolds is the last name. Martha is the first name. Martha is the name of the girl. Yes, Martha Reynolds. Yes, we know. Yes, especially the European names. Alright, we finished Unit 5, so we will discuss Unit 6 next time. Thank you for your time and yes, see you on Wednesday. Oh, okay. Alright, no problem then. So I'll see you next time. You're welcome. Have a good night. Bye bye.